Hello, children. Let's start a quick recap of lesson 16, Water, the Wonder Liquid, which we have already discussed in the class. So, here are the uses of water which we have already discussed. So, let's see here. It is used for watering the plants, washing hands, brushing our teeth, drinking, washing our vehicle, cleaning, and even the animals drink it. Since we have already discussed the sources of water, so I would like to request you all to identify. The first one is the pond, the second one is the river. Then comes the tube well, which is used to take out the underground water. Also, the well, it is also used to take out the underground water, ocean, and lake. After that comes the properties of water. That water can stay in the liquid state, also in the solid state as ice, and then in the gaseous state as water vapors. And to make water fit for drinking, we can boil it, even we can use the water purifier, and the water which is purified in the swimming pool is done with the help of chlorine tablets. Chlorine tablets are used in the swimming pool to keep the water clean. Here are the ways how we should keep the water which we drink. So we should always keep them in the closed container. As shown here in the figure, all the tick diagrams where the containers in which the water is kept is closed. Now, how can we save water? We can use the water after the vegetable are washed. We can use the same water to water the plants. We should not use the shower. Instead, we can use the bucket and mug for taking the bath. Then we can also turn off the tap if it is not in use. And also ask our parents to get the leaking taps and pipes repaired. As a responsible citizen, we should also try to keep our surroundings clean, the river clean. Otherwise, the aquatic life, the life which is living inside the water, the river, will die. So, we should not throw garbages or we should not defecate near the water bodies. Also, we should not throw the garbage coming out from the factories in the rivers. So now, children, after the completion of the lesson, we are supposed to do the book exercises. So, first question is tick the correct option. For which purpose we do not require water? We do not require water for bathing, sewing clothes, washing, or cooking. Yes, the correct option is B. Second question is how much part of earth is covered with water? 1/2, 2/3, 3/4, or 1/4? 3/4 is the correct option. Which is the main source of water on earth? Ocean, rain, river, or glaciers? In the book, it is clearly mentioned that rain is the main source of water on earth. Which of these containers cannot be used for storing water? Bottle, bucket, spoon, jug. So everything has a lid, but spoon is quite open, so we cannot store water there. So spoon is the correct option. The next is the forms in which water can exist are solid, liquid, gas. So we have already seen in the properties of water that water can exist in all the three forms. So the correct answer is all of these. Now let's start. Circle the odd one out. Here we need to circle the odd one out from the series. The first option is boiling, filtering, chlorinating, polluting. So how can we clean the water? Yes, by boiling it, also by filtering it, by putting the chlorine tablets, that means chlorinating it. But yes, we cannot clean the water by polluting it. Second question is stream, jug, lake, and pond. So, yes, stream, Lake and pond are the natural sources of water, and jug is used to store water. The next is bottle, jug, sea, pot. So, bottle, jug, and pot are the things where we can store water, and sea is the natural source of water. The next is drinking, washing, mopping, studying. So, we do not use water while studying. The next is taps, river, sea, pond. So, tap is the water supply given to our home, and the rest are the natural sources of water. Next question is complete the flow chart for the following. So, the first category is things which will die without water. So, first and foremost, the humans. Yes, humans will die without water. The next is animals. Third is plants. Then the fish. And the last, we can even include the insects. Now you have to write the uses of water. For what all things you use the water. So you use the water for drinking, washing, bathing, gardening, and yes, how can we forget cooking? Now we'll move on to the fill in the blanks. Dash water for 10 to 15 minutes to kill the germs in water. So you need to boil the water for 10 to 15 minutes, which kills the germs in water. The second is we add dash tablets to make water clean and pure. So we add chlorine tablets to make water clean and pure. The next is we should get dash taps and pipes repaired. Which type of taps and pipes? Leaking. We should get leaking taps and pipes repaired. Earth is also called blue planet. The last one is dash water can be taken out by wells and hand pumps. So the underground water, ground water can be taken out by wells and hand pumps. Now on the next page, Funpedia, given below are some jumbled words related to water. Let's unjumble them. The first one is DLCOU. So when the water goes up to rain, clouds are formed. So the first one is cloud. RIRVE. The second word is river. The next is NCOEA, that is ocean. The next is MESTAR. The word is stream. Now the last one, DQLIUI, that is liquid. So with this, children, we have revised lesson 12 and even we have completed the book exercises. Be ready for the notebook work tomorrow. Thank you.